Hi, I am Gail of 876 Documents, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. In this video, I'll be talking about the new Immigration and Customs C5 form that all persons entering Jamaica must complete. I will also be talking about the form getting hijacked this week, and I'll also go through the form to show that there is no fee to complete the form, and so sit tight and let's get into it. So as you enter the site, this is the first page you will see. It will ask you for your email address. You will enter a reliable email address where you're sure to get the code. And once you receive the code in 2 seconds, no more, you enter the code and you are in the form. Now it just asks you for the basic information it would ask you for on the paper form that you would receive from the flight attendants. Your name, your address, your phone number, where you're staying, what airport you are traveling out of, what airport you are flying into, your flight date, your airline, your flight number, and the rest, you're familiar with it. You just fill the information in, and when you're done, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You hit submit, and it asks you to confirm that there is no one else traveling with you, and you receive a confirmation email. Now, it does tell you that if you are traveling with anyone, so if you're taking your children with you or your spouse, then you have to fill another form. So each person needs their own confirmation. So you'll do this form again 3 more times for all the persons who are traveling with you. But as you can see, I'm just filling in all of my basic information, and I'm going to fast forward through this part or play it on silent so you can just pretty much see what the questions are. Now, once you receive the all clear, the email comes to you in seconds again, and you are redirected back to the first page to enter another person. And that is it. You keep your email and you show that when you get to the airport. All right, so hope you found this video informative. Please share this video with your friends so they do not get scammed with this online payment form. Thanks for watching.